This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the metal trap carefully to find the fault. Look at the spring, catch, and any bent metal. Once you see the problem, remove rust or debris with a small file and wipe clean so moving parts can operate freely. Make sure to wear gloves and safety glasses while you manipulate the mechanism. If the spring looks weak, note its anchor points now. This first check determines whether you'll adjust parts, replace the spring, or simply lubricate seizing joints. Next, address the damaged components directly. Use needle nose pliers to straighten bent arms slowly, applying small, controlled bends so you don't crack metal. If the spring is weak, swap it for an identical size and tension. Anchor it exactly where the original sat so timing remains correct. Once parts are aligned, file any burrs and reassemble loosely, then test movement by tripping the mechanism gently. This staged approach prevents overcorrection and reveals whether lubrication or further. Finish by lubricating pivot points sparingly so you don't attract dirt. A drop of machine oil on each pin is enough. Reassemble fully, then set the trap using a safe release method so you can observe action without risk. Make sure the bait pan and trigger are aligned so the trap fires cleanly. Adjust tension incrementally until it snaps reliably. If it fails or misfires, recheck spring tension and alignment. Then repeat small adjustments rather than large ones to preserve safety and function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.